Hi, I'm Deidre Allen, owner of Jadoa Salon here in Midtown Atlanta. Jadoa Salon is a premier hair destination of Atlanta. When you come into Jadoa Salon, expect to walk into a professional atmosphere with trained stylists who have been in the industry for over 10 years or more. We specialize in a vast knowledge of makeup, hair, and lashes. We believe in giving the customer the Jadoa experience. Call Jadoa today to book your appointment.